camera. And I will mix everything and we wrap. There you go. Now I'm going to mix this first. The best way we do is, baka kasi, no, konti lang ang meat nito kasi you can also use vegetable lumpia. Kaso nga lang, it's better if you use this is typical Filipino food that everybody likes it. Right? Medyo dry kasi masarap na siya. I'm sure it's masarap na siya. We need to be healthy kaya gusto ko healthy nga. Healthy tayo guys. Okay, it's been pero ang alam ko kulang ng konting so I need to put some of the ground garlic powder. Kailangan natin yan kasi mas masarap kung marami, and ground pepper. Okay, ang salt na is okay guys kasi kung sakaling kulang, if in case na enough salt, it depends on your dipping. You can dip some of the ketchup. Some people use vinegar like Ilocano guys. Shout out to all Ilocano. I'm sure you love my lumpia. Now, before I do these things, let me set aside this one. I'm gonna wrap this one now. Ang pag-wrap dito is easy guys. Ito ang gustong-gusto kong trabaho. This is not for business guys. This is for home use. Ang sarap din kaya. This one you can use pepper, garlic, but I didn't put any hello, cooking now. Wesley, hello. Hi. I didn't put any of the I didn't fry those meat kasi mas maganda ang hindi lutong inside thing put in the lumpia kasi pag luto na, medyo dry na kasi hindi na nagmo-moist. Once you eat it, it should be moisture. Parang kinagat mo, moist pa siya. Kaya, mas okay if there is a little bit. You don't need to fry everything. But you need to cook it slowly. You need to dip. I put this one okay here. You need water to dip. Dip it in your hands. Or para mag-stack siya. Stack siya dito. Medyo dry siya. Okay. This garlic has been washed. This one is for the sample of the. This one is easy to wrap, right? It's a teaspoon of, very big spoon amount of lumpia. Ganyan lang ang paggawa ng lumpia, guys. Oh my goodness. Itong damit ko nawawala. Sino kaya yan? Hello, shout out to Katsap Solok, yeah. Okay, Wesley, hi, hello. Blansin, hi, hello too. This is my kitchen. I'm doing my lumpia thingy at the moment. Okay, this is ready in a minute. And I need to, at least I need to make a little bit more para naman maganda ang presentation mamaya. Just a 1 big spoon of filling. Yan. Para masarap ang kainan natin dito. You can buy this one actually in Central. Pero we like homemade. No need yum-yum. Unhealthy yung yum-yum guys. Philippine food, they love yum-yum to enhance every ulam, everything with yum-yum. But me, because I'm getting old. Oh, only age, right? Hindi natin kailangan mga yun kasi yun hindi pampahaba ng buhay yun. Okay, now ready na tong lumpia ko, right? Do you like it? Look, while I'm heating the oil, let's drink cold coffee. Nice guys. Nagwaraak lang ang luto kasi gagangay, it's all rushing. A bit one spoon of filling para naman masaya. Kasi if we buy in the Yamcha area, ang liit-liit, hindi mo alam, puro karne pa. And puro karne talaga ang laman ng kinakain natin. Okay, I have to do this one. Let's set aside this one. We'll do this later. Para masaya ang araw natin ngayon. Now I'm going